Alright, I'm going to try and take a short video for you real fast. Hopefully this works.
Sorry about the whole sock thing. Anyways, this is the car. 98 Trans Am. Good.
Sauce is dumped.
I can't really see what the hell I'm even looking at right now. So it's got 1-inch spacers on the rear. Tail lights are smoked. Interior's a mess right now, but you can see it's got a small tear right there. Well, not really small, but it's right at the seam, so I mean it could be fixed. I'm just too damn lazy. T-tops, everything works. Everything in the car works. Got the Firehawk hood. It needs to be painted a little bit better, but whatever. No real defects or anything in the car, so. Here's the engine. That's fancy. It's got the air and EGR removed. Still L-up on head, intake, everything. It's got hooker long tube headers, new plugs, new wires, fresh oil change, new power steering fluid. Other than that, I mean, nothing really too fancy. Like I said, it works. So anyways, here's your little video.